Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix setup has detected an incompatible build. Setup will now exit this particular error to resolve in your Windows PC. So let's go ahead and proceed. Click on Start menu and type Run. In Run application, type lusrmgr.msc and then hit the Enter key. Here, double click on the users and you will find all the users available over here. Right click on your user. My user is VJ. So right click on it and choose the option properties. Choose the tab member of, and here if administrator is not available, suppose I'll go ahead and remove it for you. Now you need to add a member of administrator over here. So click on the add option. Now click on advanced options and then click on find now. Here you will find the option of administrator. Click on it and choose the option OK. Hit OK again and here hit apply and OK button. Now close it and now don't forget to restart. I am again saying don't forget to restart your system. Once restarted, go ahead and try to install the driver again. Your problem will be fixed out by now. If it is still there, the next method is open this particular website which is Wagnard, and I'll share the link of this website in the description below. You need to click on this DDU installer. I'll go ahead and click on it. You need to download these drivers. Scroll down and here is the official download here link. Click on it and save it onto your system. Once saved, double click to extract the files onto your desktop itself. Here it is DDU extracted. Open the folder and run the exe file by double clicking on it. Make sure, friends, you perform this particular step in the safe mode only. Set the default settings as it is and click on close tab. Now I am again saying make sure you do the following settings in the safe mode only. Now select the device which is GPU and type or select the type of driver you have, which is AMD. Once clicked over here, you need to choose the first option which is clean and restart. Make sure you choose the first option, clean and restart. For your convenience, I'll choose the option second option because I'm not going to restart my system. Once chosen, wait for it to completely process. Now you can see the uninstall is successfully completed. Now click on the yes button to exit this program. Once it is uninstalled, right click on start menu and choose the option device manager. Now here you need to expand your display adapter. At my end, it's Radeon Pro WX9100. So what you need to do is to open web browser again and open this official website of AMD to download the software, drivers manually. These are the options that you can select to choose the type of driver you have, or else you do not find, you can simply click over here to search for your products. For example, I have Radeon Pro WX9100. I'll simply type 9100 and here is the driver came, Radeon Pro WX9100. Click on it and choose the option submit. And here is the driver link for my Windows 11. Expand it and download it onto your system by clicking on this download button. Once these drivers are downloaded, just double click to install these drivers onto your system, just like you install any game or any software. This time your problem will be fixed out by sure. If this video works out for you, friends, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.